Breakfast in the cold. How is breakfast in the cold? How is breakfast in the snow, Papa?
Let it go. Let it go. Later I want to let it go. Already. Here frozen already.
Just so there was some kind of flurries. It's just me. Okay, once you're done, you can go back inside. Okay? Go. Morning. Today is on the 27th of Jan. It's on a Saturday, and it's our goodbye to Mount Fuji. Yay, Mount Fuji! Bye. You've been amazing. Look, such a clear, nice weather. Yes. With Lake Kawaguchi in front of us. Wow. Okay. Isn't it? Yep. Look at the lake. Lake glistening. Yep. She's supposed to be the reflection of the sun. Yes. And Mount Fuji on a very clear day, clear sky, no cloud whatsoever. It's just pure beauty. Okay. Beauty. Okay, so currently as you can see behind me, there's nobody yet because the bus only starts at 9:30. So staying here is to us until the bus comes. By the time the bus comes, we're going to check out and there's still nobody. Yay! Okay, bye. This place is so beautiful. I will come back for my honeymoon. Okay.
Okay, so we are leaving our house. This is the front door and this is how it looks like from the outside. So we are going to the souvenir shop to get some souvenirs that can remind us of Fuji. Then we have to check out, and together with our luggage we'll be taking the green line. So yesterday we took the blue and the red, and we are left with the green. Yeah, we might not be able to take because we will be rushing for time. But Mommy doesn't want to like show our house from the outside. Yes, this is our house, our beautiful glass house. Okay, that is like my room there. Then there's a balcony where we took lots of awesome photos. Look at this pile of snow. Mount Fuji. Very nice. Look at that, there's like a stream, guys. Look at that. It's like a stream. Okay. Look at that. Wow, today this thing is open for us so we can take a shortcut. But, so let's see here. Lake Fuji, my family. Souvenir shop, we have our luggage in our house.
Inside the souvenir shop, all the magnets, all the Fuji related stuff, plushie, and we have phone accessories, keychain, and bags. Then they also have like food items that is like exclusively. Okay, and Mommy was thinking of buying this chocolates. Okay, this place is so warm. I love it. Look at it. Look at this, sakura related. During the sakura season, this place will be full of sakura plants. Hello Kitty.
This is the lavender area because they also have like lavender here. Yes, I'm gonna like carry some of these flowers home. I don't care. I'm gonna let him carry. This is what it looks like. Lavender. Sakura. And these are like dried flowers. Like, oh my god, I'm so buying them. They're delicate though. Yeah, shoot them this one. Relax. Fragrance below. It's okay. Bye. gambar. 1, 2, 3.
Wow, look at this area. Like we haven't walked here before. It's apparently a bridge. And guys, it's like underneath is like water. Wow, it's amazing. Walking towards Fuji. And there's like ducks or birds. Ducks! It's freaking ducks! Can you see kat dalam? And then that's our stay. Fuji. Okay.
Wow. Yeah, walking towards Fuji. We just check out from our house. Now, walking towards Fuji. Okay, in the morning, there's nobody here because the bus only starts in I think 30 more minutes. So, since we stay here, we take the opportunity to take nice photos here. Nice. Look at that. This place is so nice. Okay, bye. Going to take more photos.
Okay, so Mami is now a fan of mochi ever since she tried the little alien man from Disney Sea, and she literally tell us to go and buy more. So out of all these choices, apparently, by the way, we are at the Kawaguchiko station, Kawaguchiko Eki station and we are waiting for a bus. So we have decided to get this. I took this one. So
Hi, so from Shinjuku
station.
bus expressway bus terminal, we walk all the way to Shinjuku line, the Fukunoshi line, and we will only take one stop to Higashi Shinjuku, which is where our
From there we will leave our luggage there, but cannot change first. Then we will straight go to makan at the high curry place in Japan. So the line looks like this. It has like this cover thingy, safety cover like Singapore. Wait, so is this one the brown one? And we use our Suica. Oh, also we exchanged our JRpass. Yes, which can be used for 7 days, and we cannot JRpass. We cannot lose it.
activation and the date of activation and when it's going to end.
Okay,
So the first time we use it, they're going to activate by giving us a stamp.
Okay, this is the train opposite.
So kat dalam, it's trying to bagi code that the owner of the hotel gave us in order to get the keys to our luggage, to store our luggage. Anyway, this is the hotel. Sejuk and everything. And there's no snow. We have reached Tokyo. And I leave it here.
Okay, so now we are at this kebab place. It's halal. And they also serve the long potato which we're going to buy. So I ordered the rice bento meal, and it comes with sticky rice. And the rest of them will be ordering, had ordered wrap kat dalam. Like that.
Very generous.
They have, for rice they have 2 sizes, so they have medium and large. And then for sandwich they have small, medium and large. Okay, we're going to enjoy the rest of our meal. Okay, so now we are at Harajuku. This is like the Takeshita Street, which is like the main attraction. And then inside we walked through already. There's a lot of like wacky shops and all that. So let's go down. Okay, let's go down.
Let's see what's up. $1 store. Each shop has like a theme. Can I buy this?
Sure, I want to buy this. Cool. Okay, Baba already wear this. Okay, I'm gonna start the video now. Battery life is about 10%. Bye.
Okay, continuing our journey, look at that. There we have Craft Shop, we have 7-Eleven.
Guys, this is a 24 hours card. They have 48 and 72 hours. I picked 24 hours because we're just gonna be using Tokyo's metro and Teo subway for 2 days.
Yes.
We can use it 24 hours when we
First
activate it. Yeah, activate it at 7 p.m. It's valid till tomorrow 7 p.m. as well.
Yes, but since we collected it quite late, so
Yeah, we were really late.
Yeah, we probably use like about once or twice.
We won't be able to maximize this.
But we bought for two separate days because we were back to Tokyo in what?
On the last day.
Yeah, on the last day. So that one we will have to use another 24 hours card, which we have already collected at the tourist information counter
This is
near
900 yen.
Harajuku, JR Harajuku line.
24 hours for 900 yen. Because every time we tap in, it's about 200 yen. So we can tap in like more than 5 times.
Yeah,
Tapping
so
around. So I think it's worth it.
we can
for
go
us.
anywhere we want unlimited within 24 hours. Even buses, right?
No, it's metro and
Toei
subway. And the way to do it is you have to slot it in.
And then they will punch.
Yeah, it will go up.
They will punch a hole here.
And it will go up.
Now we
You cannot
are.
tap it with your
Yeah. Now we are waiting for Mummy, the toilet. After Harajuku, we will be going to Shibuya, right?
Yeah, we're going to Shibuya to look at the
Crossing, the popular.
crossing intersection where there's a 3-way zebra crossing.
Yeah. So now Kakak is stuffing all her stuff that she bought. Okay guys, so now we are at the popular Shibuya crossing, and now we will see how they actually do this first, then we will cross. But look at the buildings though. I just bought this. Okay. See? The intersection. Actually, I want to get up there so that we can get like a bird eyes view on the cross street. Maybe now crossing the Shibuya crossing. Hey, we made it safely to the other side of the road. That's all. Actually that's all. We are part of it. Oh, you go up. Kala wants to go up.
in the middle of the